So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. There's a big opportunity coming on the way from the Deloitte side. Deloitte is basically hiring for an application security test analyst role. And this is just going to be a incredible chance to work with one of the world's leading professional service firms. So if you have a passion for cybersecurity, application security testing, and want to work in a cutting edge security environment, then this is your golden opportunity. So stay with me as I cover job details, requirement, qualification, skills, and how to apply. Along with that, I'll also share the benefits and career growth opportunity from the DLI. So before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the for the notes for daily job updates, and turn on notification bell because we share daily three job updates. That also direct links. So do this, and because we're not gonna miss any job opportunity from our end. So now let's dive in. So job details is of daylight application security tester, which is of analyst role, and location is Hyderabad in Telangana. So qualification for this role they are expecting is bachelor degree, equivalent degree, for example, computer science, information science, ECE. Your cyber security also has come, so kind of related branches are allowed. In experience, if you have uh, for example, you have experience of working in cyber security area or testing or something, then it is preferred, but even freshers are allowed for this particular role. So salary is going to be very good in as compared to, top firms. So last date they have not mentioned, so apply as soon as possible so that you don't miss this wonderful opportunity. So this is going to be an excellent opportunity for the person who wants to build a career in cybersecurity, or the person who has 0 to 1 or 2 years experience in cybersecurity, especially to join Daylight, a global cybersecurity team, which is responsible for protecting data, securing critical infrastructure, and responsible to cyber threats across a global network. So let's discuss the responsibility sections out here. So, what you would be doing once you join the Daylight as analyst or cybersecurity expert? So, you'll be basically working in assisting the technical scoping of security testing activities. Plus, you will be performing static, dynamic, and interactive application security testing. Plus, you will conduct software composition analysis, which is SCA, and also you would be working with infrastructure vulnerability management. So, along with that, you'll also perform DevOps security issues analysis. So, basically, you're gonna get so much exposure in DevOps area as well. So, and also you will conduct research on emerging tech cybersecurity trends and vulnerabilities. Plus, you'll provide consultative guidance to customers on security findings. Not just that, you will also collaborate with global teams and enhance testing methodologies. So all these are going to be your, kind of how your responsibilities will look at Daylight. So if you love working in cybersecurity, this role will change you and help you grow in the field of application security testing. So skills and qualification requirement for this role is you must have a bachelor degree, plus you should have the experience with the common security testing tools like Web Inspect or JAB, Burp, etc. Plus, you should have basic knowledge of OWASP top 10 security risk applications. So, and familiarity with software security weakness and vulnerabilities as well. Plus, you should have the basic working knowledge of at least on programming language, scripting language. I'm sorry, which is Perl, Python, PowerShell. So all these are kind of scripting languages. Along with that, you should also have the familiarity with basic programming languages like Java, JavaScript. So you should have the basic understanding of these programming languages as well. Plus, you should have the basic understanding of cloud platform like Azure, and and very important thing, you must have the very good analytical and communication skill along with the good problem solving skill to be eligible for this role. So this is all about the technical expertise requirements. So now they have mentioned some preferred, which is certifications. So preferred certification requirements are like ethical hacking certifications and OSCP, which is offensive certified security professionals. So these are the kind of preferred role. If you have this skill set, I mean certificate, that is well and good. Even if you don't have, feel free to apply. Add the key points from the GAD in your resume and try applying it as soon as possible. So I'll be sharing the link for the same in description. Do check it out. I am sharing the direct link of the career site, so do check it out and apply as soon as possible. Especially if you have the right skill sets and interest in cybersecurity. And that's it. Hurry up and apply as soon as possible before the positions get filled. So benefits of working at Deloitte is going to be kind of um, very good and best in industry. You'll get a competitive salary, plus other perks, growth, learning opportunities, working in global team. Art of Learning Center Hyderabad is top one of the top office of Daylight in India. Plus, you'll get very inclusive and supportive work culture, which is very famous at Daylight. So this is one of the best culture company as well. So you'll also get fast career progression in cybersecurity and tech. So that's it. Deloitte's commitment to diversity, inclusions, and professional growth makes it one of the best place to work. So don't miss this incredible opportunity to work in Deloitte. And if you are a cybersecurity enthusiast looking for a breakthrough in your career, and if you are a freshers or want to build a career in cybersecurity, apply now. Share this video with your friends and colleagues who might be interested in this particular role, and let help more people land a great job. Subscribe to our channel and for daily job updates, career tips, and complete data analytics course covering SQL, Python, and many more. So see you in the next video, and all the best with your application.